We'll guide you through how to add Notion Web Clipper to Brave browser. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure the Brave browser is fully installed on your computer, then launch Brave from your desktop to get started. Move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the browser. Type chrome.google.com/webstore and press Enter to open the Chrome Web Store. After the store loads, look near the upper right area of the page and find the Search the Store box. Click inside the search field, type Notion Web Clipper, and press Enter to display the available results. Browse through the results shown on the screen and look for the official extension that uses the black and white Notion N logo. When you find it, click the extension thumbnail to open its dedicated information page. On that page, locate the large blue Add to Brave button, which may also appear as Add to Chrome depending on your version of the browser. Click the button once to begin the installation process. A security confirmation dialog will immediately appear near the top of the browser window. Click Add Extension in the pop-up window to grant the permissions required for the extension to function correctly. Wait a few moments while Brave downloads and installs the necessary files. When the installation finishes, a notification will appear confirming that the extension has been added successfully. Next, move to the top right corner of the browser and click the puzzle piece icon to open the extensions menu. Find Notion Web Clipper in the list, then click the pin icon beside it so the extension remains visible on your toolbar at all times. With the extension installed, click the newly pinned Notion icon to begin the setup process. A small window will appear asking you to sign in. Follow the prompt and enter your Notion account credentials to connect the extension to your workspace. After logging in successfully, open any web page, article, or video that you would like to save. Click the Notion Web Clipper icon again to open its capture menu. From there, you can edit the page title, choose the workspace or database where the content should be stored, review your settings, and then click Save Page. The content will instantly be sent to your Notion workspace, making it easy to organize research, references, articles, and notes.